Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix Microsoft Outlook error code 3399811147, then let's have a look at the following options. So basically this error pops up when you do not have access to the email ID that you're trying to log in to Outlook. So what does it mean? So it means that you are using an email ID that probably belongs to an organization, and that organization has barred you from or has disabled the email ID, or it means that you are trying to use that email ID to log into an other computer that belongs to an other user, right? So what we need to do to correct this error is we right click on start button, go to settings, and we go to accounts, go down, access work or school, and we need to disconnect from any work or school account. So like I said, if you were accessing this uh, Outlook from your organization or from any public account where you had access, and now you no longer belong to that organization or public place, they must have disabled the email ID, and therefore there's you are getting this error message. So you just disconnect if you're connected to any work or school account here, and then it will this error message will no longer show up. The reason, one more reasoning behind this is, it's a volume license. So the organization buys a volume license for a particular set of users, and therefore the organization has to keep within that limit of users, and therefore the organization from time to time reviews how many users are participate with the organization and are enabled to use it. The other reason is that it's an OEM license that is for a single user, and that you're trying to use it on an other computer that belongs to another person. So I hope this solved your problem. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.